In this video, we'll be using division to answer the question, how can I package 20 cookies for a bake sale? Well, one thing I could do is put one cookie in each bag. If I put one cookie in each bag, then it's going to take 20 bags because I had 20 cookies. So 20 cookies with one cookie per bag would make 20 bags that I can sell at the bake sale. In other words, 20 divided by 1 equals 20. But what if I wanted to put 2 cookies in each bag? Since 1 cookie in each bag isn't really much to be selling, I wonder if I'll have the right amount of cookies so that each bag will wind up with 2. Since 20 is an even number, I was able to put 2 cookies in each bag and not have any left over. So 20 cookies with 2 cookies in each bag would make 10 bags. In other words, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 2 cookies still doesn't seem like a lot to be selling to each person, so I wondered about putting 3 cookies in each bag, what would happen. As I put 3 cookies in each bag, I noticed that I was left with 2 cookies. I can't make another bag of cookies with 3 cookies in the bag because I only have 2 left. And so 20 cookies with 3 cookies in each bag cannot be shared evenly. If I go to try to divide 20 by 3, I get something called a remainder. I did fill 6 bags, but I had 2 cookies left over. We can report this as 6 remainder 2. This would probably not be the best way to bag my cookies for the bake sale, because I'd either have to have a bag with only 2 cookies, which wouldn't be fair, or I'd only sell 6 bags of cookies and would waste 2 cookies that I could have made money on. Next, I tried putting 4 cookies in each bag, and I noticed that it perfectly filled 5 bags. And so I know that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So another way I could sell these cookies are in bags of 4. I wonder if the cookies will fit in bags of 5. Let's see. Again, that worked out perfectly. So 20 cookies with 5 cookies in each bag would make 4 bags of cookies. Therefore, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Let's see what happens when I try to divide 20 by 6. Well, here I have 6 cookies in each bag, but there were 2 left over. And so 20 doesn't divide with 6 evenly. 20 divided by 6 gives me that remainder again, 3 this time, with a remainder of 2. Because I had 3 bags full of 6 with 2 cookies left over. What about trying to put 7 cookies in each bag? Well, I was able to fill 2 bags, but I had 6 cookies left, which couldn't make a full bag of 7, and so I had 2, remainder 6. Those last couple bags didn't work out as nicely as I'd hoped. Rather than keep going, I'd like to recap what I've found so far. So if I put 1 cookie in each bag, I used 20 bags. When I put 2 cookies in each bag, I used 10 bags. I tried putting 3 cookies in each bag, but that didn't work out with an even number. When I put 4 cookies in each bag, I used 5 bags. And when I put 5 cookies in each bag, I used 4 bags. Looking at it this way, I'm noticing something. I'm noticing that 1 times 20 equals 20. I'm noticing that 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. And 5 times 4 equals 20. Let's think about the numbers that didn't work. 3, 6, and 7 didn't work out so that I'd have an equal number in each bag. Well, if I think about the multiplication, that makes sense because I can't multiply 3, 6, or 7 by any other whole number and get 20 as my answer. In fact, that means 8 won't work and 9 won't either. But what about 10? 20 cookies with 10 cookies in each bag would make 2 perfectly even bags. But as I start to put an 11th cookie in one bag, I notice that I only have 9 cookies left. And so I can't make another bag of 11. Similarly, if I put that 12th cookie in, I wouldn't even have enough to make another bag of 12. And so it seems like the numbers 11, 12, 13, and so on aren't going to work. But what if I keep putting these cookies in this big bag until I have all 20 in one bag? Well, that would be one final way to sell the cookies for the bake sale. 20 cookies with all 20 cookies in the bag would only use one bag. And so 20 divided by 20 gives me one bag. And so I figured out that there are 6 ways to sell cookies for the bake sale. There are 6 division problems that start with 20, divide by whole numbers, and give you an answer that's also a whole number without a remainder. And so I have a challenge for you. What if you made 24 cookies for a bake sale? What are all the ways you could divide the cookies equally to sell them in the baggies?